At any given moment, you're going to have something that you're fearful of. At every level you grow, every relationship that you're in, every situation, you have something to be sad and fearful of. So when you say, I'm going to be happy and healthy me, it's baked in with a fantasy of a one-sided existence. That I'm going to be confident without any self-doubt. That I'm going to be super duper fearless, which means no fear. And it's like, I still haven't reached this pinnacle of fantasy world where I have zero self-doubt, zero fear, and I experience zero sadness. So 90% of the academy work that I teach my students is dissolving fantasies about reality, which cause us to be less resilient and less capacity. If I say my intention is to be happy and healthy me, what happens is my capacity for sadness and fear goes way down. And now I'm not resilient. So my invitation for you is to shift that and say, whether I'm happy, sad, whether I'm scared, fearful, or my health is not in its best, my intention is to become compassionate with myself. That's what self-love is.